Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Not 100% over whatever, but good enough to work on some cars. So we are here with the Pickle, and I've got the engine pulled up a little bit, and we're going to put it on the ground, and we're going to roll it on the pad, and then see what's what. So maybe by the end of this video I'll do a do strike. My taste buds are still messed up, so everything tastes kind of weird. It's been like 2 weeks, so everything tastes a little funny, and my appetite's not not great, whatever. I mean, I eat, but I'm not like hungry. I mean, don't get me wrong, I got plenty to live off of for a good long while, but it is, when you kind of like to eat, you like it to taste good. So anyway, that's neither here nor now. All we got to do is get some wheels and tires on this thing. I've already moved the Trojan horse, I think enough to where I can maneuver this thing around, and I moved the brain off the pad. No, I have not finished doing the brakes on it. Motivation, you go where the motivation points you, and that's what we're doing, trying to stay motivated and work on stuff that I want to work on, not work on things because I have to work on it. Got to finish it for YouTube or whatever. Screw that. So work on what I want to work on, as always. And right now, since we're at home, this is a good project. I am looking forward to getting back onto the van and get into that some more. I just didn't know if trying to ease back in, so not kill myself right off the bat. So pulling the headers and transmission and everything out of that thing is a little bit of a job for an old guy, I guess, like me. So we'll work on this right this minute, and then we're going to get back on the van here for long. So let me put some wheels on it, and I got to push it by myself, but at least it's lighter now, so hopefully I can do it. All right, got the wheels. Got some wheels and tires on it, got it on the ground. I can see now that I screwed myself. I should have pulled Trojan that way. I could have went straight back and up, but I'm a freaking moron, so we'll just, hey, work harder, not smarter. It builds character. Okay, I can already see that this is going to be a mistake trying to do this. So, going to move Trojan, just try and go straight back, and then cannonball it up onto the pad. So, that's the plan now. Okay, we moved Trojan, so we can go that way and then this way, hopefully. I just can't do it right this minute. Plus there's right there. I might have to have Teresa help me tomorrow, hopefully, maybe. So it just ain't getting done this afternoon. I ain't got it in me. We did it. Teresa was actually going to help me. I came out and raked up the leaves a little bit and made me a little ramp and kind of got me a running start. Went right up. So we're just pulling the motor, so we don't need it all the way up here. I just need it up here enough to where I could get the engine hoist up under it and get the hook up to it and snatch it out. So it's supposed to start raining like 8 o'clock. So I don't know if we're gonna get it out today. It depends. If it stops raining and stuff, I can come out here and, you know, hook it up, pull it out, but I don't know. So anyway, we got rain. Well, we've got one motor mount nut off. This one, the motor mount's so torched, I can't get it broke loose, so I got the bolts on the block. One's out, the other's broke loose, but I'm gonna go ahead and hook the hoist up to it and get it secured so it doesn't fall or move or something. I'd hate to hurt my hand. So let me do that. I think we can start pulling it out. Got a little tension on it. Also, I think I bought this off Amazon. Pretty sure I paid like $16 or $17. It has been worth every single penny that I paid for it. I don't know why I didn't get one of these sooner. All right, I think we're ready to get it out. Let me put you guys on a time lapse real quick. It's out, and with that, this is going to conclude our journey with the Dirty Pickle. I've been trying to get Anthony to call me because he said he wanted it at one point in time, and he's texting me, but he still basically wants it. There's some other stuff I want to talk to him about as far as in the thing. I don't like texting conversations, so I actually need to talk to him. So Anthony, call me. If you haven't called me already, call me. So whatever's next for the Dirty Pickle, that is up to someone else to decide. So people, you know, some people may or may not. Car's super rough. It's like, hey, you're giving up on it, or this or that and the other. I gotta be realistic, especially kind of at my age, and whether Atmore opens or not again. My whole thing for me is to go to the track. I don't really care about having cars just to hoon around on the street. I like driving them to and from the track and driving to work sometimes and stuff like that. But just go out blazing tires, doing burnouts and stuff like donuts. I don't do any of that kind of stuff. That's not my thing. So just having it just to putt around, having 10 cars just to putt around the street makes no sense to me. So we have Brain, Trojan, McNugget, the Silver Car, Krusty, the Dragon, the Fail TD, the Lincoln, Rob Zombie, the Van. Those are all cars that could be potential pro stock, that could be potentially running and or are running and or are project cars. That's a lot of cars. And if we're only gonna go to the track, however many times we end up going to Mobile this year, it just makes no sense. To me, it makes no sense. So Anthony, come get it. But it's not the end of the Pickle Power. That is a fact. The Pickle Power is going to show up again, and it's going to show up very shortly. I mean, very shortly. So, I guess that's it. That's it for us in the Pickle. Having said that, we shall bid adieu to the Dirty Pickle, and we'll probably do like a one shot or short or something when Anthony comes and gets it. And if he doesn't want it, doesn't come and get it, I'm gonna put it on Marketplace for sale. 8.8 Mustang rear end, comes with whole car. That's it. Thanks for commenting. Thanks for subscribing. Hell, my glass. Thanks for watching. But most importantly, thanks for all the ways you guys support the channel. I know that I am a terrible YouTube host and don't put out videos consistently and do whatever I want. I don't really do things to please you guys. So I do appreciate the people that do watch and have kind of the like mind that I have. And we couldn't do it without you. We wouldn't want to. I would not do it. That's an absolute fact. Until next time on Substandard Leader and Fox Body videos, 1 year stick shift single plane, Lincoln Town cars, push rod Lincoln Town cars, 4 drag vans, proud owner, proprietor, drink, mixer, rope, worker, and personal dancer of Club Big Boost. And as always, find that good fight against them zombie Mustangs and that rascal Dr. Fear. I'll see you guys in the next video.